Hi everyone, it's Ann, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a Joann's and Michael's haul. Oh, and some Amazon. I've just been collecting some little haul items here and there. I did pick up the Garden Party collection. They had a whole bunch of chipboards and papers, and I'm sure you've seen that, so I'm not going to show you that, but I wanted to show you some of the stuff that I did pick up that I have not seen and maybe would want to encourage you to buy that. So I did pick up the Garden Party washi set, and I just love this collection so much. So when Joann's had the sale, I picked it up, and I did actually make a sample card. I am in love with this washi set. I think it is such a beautiful collection. This is probably one of my favorite prints from the collection, but I also love the black and white, the little sentiments. I love this washi set, and I do still use washi very much in my projects, especially when I'm sending mail. I like to just add a little strip of washi. I also did pick up this stamp set and the stencil, and you guys, the stamp is so pretty. I love this bow. So I can't wait to play with this. I really do want to touch, just stamp a little bit more. Just don't get to stamp as much. So I'm going to try to go a little slower and play with these acrylic stamps. Yeah, I think it's really fun and pretty set. Again, this collection's so pretty, so I had to pick it up. And I did pick up the stencil. I do have a lot of sprays that I wanted to find a different way to use. I love that it comes all scalloped in the stencils, and also the floral elements in this. This one's an all bow, which when I saw, I was like, oh, I'm done. Totally picking this up. And then here's the alphabet. I doubt I'll use this alphabet stencil as much, but I thought that the bow and the flowers alone was totally worth it. And then I picked up my favorite metallic paper, which is this Tim Holtz, what is the name? It's just called Metallic, and it comes in this gold and silver. I do have an open pack, and I have to tell you, this gold is probably, oh, I'm sorry for the shimmer, it's probably one of my favorite gold papers. It is a really thick paper compared to the ones at Michael's. So if I had to guess, I would say this is probably closer to an 85-pound cardstock, and it does come in silver as well. So totally love this, and when it goes on sale, I do like to pick up just an extra pad. So I have this in my stash. And then they had a sale on these We Are Memory Keeper. I think this was 50%. I've been wanting this big crocodile because the smaller one, I do have trouble getting into certain areas, so I do like the long arm, and I am a sucker for all tools. So I'm super excited to have this, and on sale nonetheless. I also picked up this Buenos Dias Acrylic Shapes. I didn't pick up the collection only because I was really getting a little crazy with the Garden Party collection. I was like, I can't commit to another one, but I do love, I'm a sucker for anything acrylic, and I think these pieces are so fun. They're so fun. And here are the pieces included, and that is all for my Joann's haul. And then I did go to, oh no, I lied, I got this Sand Crystals. I love these Prima Crystals. Anything, actually Hobby Lobby has a wonderful dupe, but these gold, the little gold in it, but I really wanted the mustard yellow because I've been kind of obsessed with marigold, and that mustard and yellow, and these tones go perfectly with that collection. I needed these, and these were on sale as well. Okay, I'm gonna just show you my small Amazon haul, and they're all charms. So I was shopping and just kind of looking enamel pins, and I found this bunch of 40-piece butterfly enamel charms, and they come in a bunch of different colors. And honestly, I think the price was so reasonable. It was under, I want to say under $4, and they come in a pack of 40. And to tell you the truth, we're talking alley prices here. If you're talking prime delivery and under $5 for 40 pieces. Super cheap. I did pick up 2 packs. And then I purchased this multi-pack of, like, I'm set for butterflies, you guys. This multi-pack as well. And these are, again, same kind of butterflies, but they also came with a bunch of stars. So you get the itty bitty little stars as well. And I love how ginormous this pack is. And it really gives you all the colors that you might need. So I thought this was a great deal as well. And if you are interested, I'll leave links down below. And then last but not least, from my Amazon haul, you guys, oh, I'm so ecstatic over these hot air balloons. So I think this is, I want to say this is like 20 pieces, but they are these gorgeous enamel hot air balloons. And I think they're so cute. How fun is that? And it's like all the rainbow colors with the clouds on it. Oh, I was so happy to find these. And that is it for my Amazon haul. Let me show you what I picked on Michael's. And this was 100% enabled by Lacey and Wanda, who gave me the 411 on this. They were having this whole collection of tassels on sale at the stores for $2. And I just want to show you, they are so pretty. I spent way too much money on this. I literally took all of these peachy pink colors because I think they're so darling, and I can't wait to give them in like friend mail. And they had a fun like pearl kind of trim around them, so I got that. And then I picked up these which are just little pinky peach. I love this pink though. Not sure if it's coming up quite the same, but it is a soft pinky peach kind of color. So I picked up all of the ones that they had on the rack. And let's see what else. Oh, and these little guys, oh my god, they're so cute. So they come on this little triangle piece, and they have that kind of like boho vibe, and it comes with a jump ring already on them. I'm not sure if they're meant to be like earrings, but they're so adorable. I also picked up these long ones, and I love how pretty these are. So I got that, and then I got this one here. I mean, I wouldn't use these for an earring, but I love how pretty these are. And then I did get a kind of like a dark teal color, so I got that. And then I did pick up some sequins because these were 99 cents at the store. So you guys don't look, check out the sales. They've been having some weird random things on sale, and these are like a really fun neon, which I don't have in my stash, and I love, and I've been loving neon in general, so I think this would be make a fun color to add in a future project. And then I got this kind of like hot pink number, and I love these Creatology ones because they come in such different sizes. They have like the small one, the medium one, and then they give you the large ones, so you get a nice variety pack of this color. And this was only $1. And that is it for my haul today. Stay tuned to have some project shares coming up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.